What's cracking is your boy Jordan with the three stocks for the day. All right, look, man, check it out. Apple, we already see this support right here after that earnings gap up. We just trading sideways right now, so obviously you can trade the range, the bounce, the boom to the boom to the boom. Right now we in the middle, so it ain't really it's not really that well laid out for a good risk to reward currently. But of course, we break this low, we can come back down, test the low of 170. So over here is 170.76. It's doable, right? Day trade, scalp it real quick, but not a big move that you want to swing when your stop loss is realistically gonna kind of be up here. So not a lot of room unless you catch it at the bottom for calls, take it back up, catch it at the top for puts, take it back down. Then you'll have a really good risk to reward. But still, if we can start moving down, hey man, you never know with the market. We might break through this. We could take puts down to 169.50 after that. So something to look at on Apple is just the movement back down. And if it does come back down here and hold steady, then maybe you do take the calls, swing the calls with a tight stop loss, and just let it keep rocking. All right. We also got a trend line coming in from down here. All right. So that'll give us a target on the put side of where we might also see some support if we make it down to this horizontal support and the trend line support. FedEx is on the watch again today because we're still sitting in this zone. We did break the low. We did come right up to my alert. My alert is 223.47. We hit 223.36, so they almost got it. That's why you let your alerts alert, and it didn't alert, so I didn't take the calls. All right, but we're still sitting in the zone. I still got the same spot. I'm gonna let it break that, and if we do break that, then I'm gonna go ahead and look at swinging it back up to here. And then lastly, Datadog, man, I'm waiting, patiently waiting, rubbing my hands like Birdman on this thing, waiting for it to drop. Right. So I'm not gonna do the it's so high, it has to come back down now. Nope. All right, I'm gonna give it some time, give it some patience. We still haven't made a new low on the daily, right? Since back over here, beginning of the month. So no red days, no new lows. I need a low. I need to break a low for me to go ahead and hop in. Right now, we are at the top of this zone. So honestly, if we do come up, I might just go ahead and snag the puts off rip. And then just stop out if we start pushing above 90.50, all right, and swinging for next week. So, tight stop, might give it 10%, 20%. I can't see it even being 20% really. But for the move back down, I don't mind going ahead and giving up 10% for that solid entry if we do come up to these levels or stay at this level pre-market. Otherwise, take out the low of yesterday, and I'm in the puts, swinging it 2 weeks out, 1 week, 2 weeks, giving it some room to drop down. So that being said, y'all make some money today. Like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm going to see y'all later, man. Peace.